It's a very common misconception that cholesterol is generally bad and high levels are always cause for serious concern. But there is a type of cholesterol that's not only good at higher levels, but also decreases your risk of major health issues like heart disease. This type of cholesterol really does exist. It's called HDL cholesterol, and it's our good cholesterol. So if there is a cholesterol that is actually good for us, how can we naturally increase its levels? The short answer is lifestyle. Your lifestyle actually has the single greatest impact on your HDL cholesterol level. So making changes to daily and completely controllable habits like diet and exercise can equate to healthier HDL cholesterol levels, which can lower your risk for life-threatening health issues. Let's get started on improving those HDL cholesterol numbers because positive change can literally start today. Natural ways to increase HDL cholesterol. Your genes do play a role in determining how much HDL your body makes and the proportion of different subtypes. Your genes are obviously already decided for you and out of your control, but your lifestyle choices are in your control. Here are some of the best, and even some easy ways that you can get those HDL cholesterol numbers up. 1. Increase niacin intake. Niacin is a B vitamin that your body uses to turn food into energy. It also helps keep your digestive system, nervous system, skin, hair, and eyes healthy. Most people get enough niacin or B3 from their diets, but niacin is often taken in prescription strength doses to treat low HDL levels. Niacin supplementation can raise HDL cholesterol by more than 30%. Niacin can be taken at lower doses rather than prescription levels, but supplementation can cause unwanted niacin side effects, especially when taking at high dosages. Some negative results of taking niacin include experience flushing, an uncomfortable feeling of heat, itching, or tingling in the skin. Other side effects can include gastrointestinal, muscle and liver problems. When it comes to niacin, a safer bet is to aim to add more to your daily diet. The top niacin-rich foods include turkey, chicken breast, peanuts, mushrooms, liver, tuna, green peas, grass-fed beef, sunflower seeds and avocado. Try having more of these tasty, high niacin food items for a natural HDL boost. 2. Reduce refined carbs. A diet high in refined carbohydrates like white bread, sugar, etc., has a negative effect on your HDL level, so by reducing your intake of these types of carbohydrates you can improve your HDL. Opt for high-quality, healthier carbs like those found in sprouted breads and fruit. 3. Consider your prescriptions. Could one of your current prescriptions be a cause of your low HDL levels? Possibly. Medications such as anabolic steroids, beta blockers, benzodiazepines, and progestins can depress HDL levels. If you take any of these medications, I suggest talking to your doctor and considering if there is anything you can do that could take the place of your current prescription. As you now know with HDL, a lot of times you personally can do a lot to positively impact your health without popping a questionable pill that might help one problem but cause another. 4. Keep alcohol consumption moderate. Overdoing it on alcohol consumption has never helped anyone's general status and especially not that person's health status. If you consume alcohol, always do it in moderation. In fact, moderate alcohol consumption has actually been linked with higher levels of HDL cholesterol. Moderate consumption for healthy adults is 1 alcoholic drink per day for women of all ages and men over 65 and up to 2 drinks per day for men 65 and under. Organic red wine is a smart choice, but don't start drinking just to improve HDL levels because overdoing does much more harm than good both for cholesterol levels and your overall health. 5. Decrease body weight. If you're currently overweight, by losing even a few pounds can improve your HDL cholesterol. For every 6 pounds of weight you lose, your HDL can increase by 1 milligram per deciliter. That means you want to lose weight, and if you're extremely overweight, getting your HDL cholesterol levels in order is another reason to treat obesity. 6. Don't smoke. As is always the case, smoking only makes health problems worse, and that includes HDL levels. Studies show that cigarette smoking adversely affects HDL by lowering its level, which further increases your risk for developing coronary heart disease. So if you smoke, you're already increasing your risk for heart problems. 7. Exercise more. To maintain a healthy body, you should exercise on a daily basis. If you want another specific reason to start exercising or increase your frequency of exercise, it's your HDL levels. Increased physical activity directly helps raise your HDL cholesterol, just another one of the many benefits of exercise. Vigorous exercise is the best choice for boosting HDL, but any additional exercise is better than none. 8. Eat healthier fats. To improve your HDL level and your overall cholesterol, you definitely want to avoid trans fats, which are commonly found in hard margarines, baked goods, and fried fast foods. Conversely, you want to consume more healthy fats like those found in avocado, olive oil, nuts, and salmon. Why? Healthy fats help balance out the LDL cholesterol by lowering it and increasing HDL cholesterol, thus promoting a healthier heart. In fact, the high-fat keto diet can reduce the risk of heart disease markers, including high cholesterol and triglycerides. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.